Hello everyone. So if you want to back up and restore apps on your Samsung phone using Samsung Cloud, here's how to do that. So first of all, open up your settings. After that, you are to scroll to the very bottom until you locate your accounts and backup. Choose this option. Now you are to press backup data. So here, make sure to choose apps. You can also choose anything else if you want to, but I'm gonna show you apps, so I'm gonna go with apps. Now simply press backup now. And give your phone some time to back up your data. The timing depends on the amount of apps which you have, so just give it some time. Great, we're backed up. Press done. So, how do you restore your apps? Pretty easily. So, let's start it from the very beginning. Settings, then scroll down to Accounts and Backup. Here, press Restore Data. Now locate the latest backup. In my case, is this one. So tap on it. Here, make sure to choose Apps and simply press Restore. Confirm your choice by pressing Yes. Install backed up apps, of course, press Install. And now give it some time to be restored. Press Done. Now you can delete all backups if you want to. I'll press later. I don't want it to happen. And basically that is it. Now your applications are gonna be always with you. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.